It is time for you to know your law. Many of us, we don't understand, especially many landlords in different jurisdictions in Nigeria. We don't understand our law. Our law protects your right as a landlord. You are the owner of your house. But you must also bear in mind that our law also protects the tenants. Landlord will just come. They will say, I'm giving you quick notice, a week quick notice, 7 days quick notice. At what point can you give someone 7 days quick notice? Just like someone called me some few days ago. He said he received a quick notice from the landlady when she was about to pay. The position of law is clear that as a yearly tenant, the landlord has an obligation to give that particular tenant 6-month notice. You must give your tenant 6-month notice. That's the position of the law. If you fail to give your tenant 6-month notice, any notice being given thereafter is invalid because it's a yearly tenant. You cannot just come 3 weeks for payment of his rent, or even 1 month or 2 months or 3 months towards the payment of his rent, and you say that you are evicting him from the house. You also have rights. Truly, you are the owner of your house. But you must understand the fact that as the fact that the law protects you as a landlord, the law also protects that of the tenant. We say that the tenant does not have any rights. Who tell you that? Tenant has rights. At what point can you be given 7 days? It is when your money is due, your rent is due, and you have failed to pay the rent. That's when the landlord can choose to give you 7 days quick notice. That's when you can be termed, you can be regarded as a tenant at will, but not when you're supposed to get the normal statutory notice. And many landlords will always resort to self-help again, because the fact that you did not leave your house, you will come and call boys, the agberos, come and take his goods, come and take his property, come and take it out of my house. The law does not allow self-help. Self-help, either by the agberos. I know the police know that issue of rent is purely civil. The police will never mediate into matters of rent. So the police are knowledgeable because they are working with the lawyers. So they are knowledgeable when it comes to issue of rent, issue of eviction. The police can only attend to issue of eviction when you get a court order of a rent tribunal evicting the tenant from your house. Many people, many of the landlords try as much as possible to evict the tenants illegally. Not. Tenants has their own rights. And if you are not careful, the tenants will seek redress, civil redress in courts against you. Be careful so that you will not lose your rights as the landlord. Be careful, because you also have an obligation. Does not really mean that the particular tenant in question does not have a right. Please try as much as possible to know your rights as tenants. Landlord, I also want to tell you to know your obligation, that the tenant deserves the statutory notice of 6 months if the tenant is a yearly tenant. Thank you. We meet again in the next episode. Thank you.